something we all want. The new Chisum Bronco XL. With its unique design, it's extremely rugged yet very, very ergonomical. It's 16 feet long and 88 inches wide. It has adjustable height from 7 inches to 56 inches, making it the perfect system for any technician. It has a handheld remote control with drive-on, drive-off capabilities, or what some people call drive-through capabilities. It has a true 360 degrees of pulling with 10 tons of pulling power. It's great for quick pulls on unibodies and full frames. It offers a 4-point anchoring system for unibodies and has a full frame anchoring system available for trucks. It has 16 high-quality, lightweight, removable treadways. It offers 10 grease fittings to ensure longevity. And one of the greatest features on the new Bronco XL is it's engineered and designed to work with the time-tested Select fixtures and the new Universal Chameleon. This isn't just a collision repair system. This is a workstation designed to do collision work, body work, estimates, supplements, teardowns, even suspension work. The new Chisum Bronco XL is the perfect system for every shop, big or small. The new Bronco XL truly does it all.